Hello and welcome. My name is Steven Hauser. I'm a platform AI solution consultant at ServiceNow. And in this short demo, I will show you one of the many GenAI capabilities in ServiceNow that helps builders accelerate their work, part of the Now Assist for Creator Suite. Imagine needing a new self-service form. Normally, it takes hours of workshop, long documents, and endless back and forth. But with Now Assist for catalog generation, you simply describe what you need in plain English and AI is taking care of the rest. Let's take an extra example. The team needs a self-service form for flexible work arrangement. Today, this is managed manually, so they don't even know where to start. Instead of trying to explain ServiceNow concept, you can simply ask AI to draft one instantly. No need to bring any detail, just use the power of AI to build in under a minute an AI-generated draft with all the fields, a title, and even a description. Even if you are not technical, you can immediately see how this form will look in the portal, in the mobile, or even as a virtual agent. No more word templates, no more back and forth. But now we can even refine this request by adding all the details in the prompt. For example, I will add all the questions I want, define exactly their types, mark some mandatory, or even add some default value. AI will now instantly update the form, and of course, everything that will be generated by AI will be able to be reviewed manually if required. So if we have a look at what will generate AI, is exactly what I defined in my prompt. But even better, I can go and now submit this form in order to be able to test it directly in the self-service portal. Let's go in the Employee Center, and this is really like your welcome page to all the services provided to your employee. And I can go and type flexible work arrangement. You can already see that it's suggesting the request we created together a second ago. This is really about faster collaboration, less rework, and even more time to spend proper delivering of value. And because ServiceNow governance is always coming first, IT in the back will ensure that the quality and the control is still performed while we can empower more people to build. This is really the power of ServiceNow Now Assist.